delay. I vote, I decide. We can make it happen, let me see my people rise. Mongolian elections 2020, that's right. It's election time. Hope you're rolling up, time to make your voice heard. In Mongolia, fight for quality education to end the corruption. For freedom of speech, now's the time to do something. Time to make a choice, time to make a choice. You really have the power, let them hear our voice. Fight for quality healthcare, money issues and pollutions. For affordable housing, responsible mining. Time to get it moving, stop desertification and discrimination. This is what we want, provide justice for all. Third neighbor policy, Mongolia, Russia and China. I say it again, just in case you need a reminder. Yeah, it's time to vote, now is the time. Please don't delay, I vote, I decide. We can make it happen, let me see my people rise. Mongolian elections 2020, that's right.